Alright, let's move on to the first topic, which is problem statement, before we go deeper or show you the demonstration of our website. So, for your information, contacting people in the digital age nowadays has become more easier, and it all thanks to the technological advancement. However, the convenience of the digital communication may lead to the missed opportunity or forgetfulness, like forgetting our friend's birthday. So, while technology make it easy for us to connect, it also make us easy to forget the important details, and that's just a little downside to all the convenience. Now, I would like to tell you briefly regarding the objective of our project. The first objective is to develop an easily approachable website that handles CRUD operation in both front-end for user and back-end side for admin. Second, to provide an automated method to send a message when prompted on the website utilizing the WhatsApp. Lastly, to prepare a secure environment for users to store their data through an authentication step via login in their details.
Okay, now we will take a look at the homepage. Okay, this is our homepage, whereby we use the HTML and CSS. Okay, we will move on to the sign up page. This is the register form. This is source code for the register form. First, we declare the variable. Then on the line 18, we select MySQL query from the table user. Okay. This condition is to check the row in the database which is if it has the same email and password. If it has, it means the user already exists. And this part is whereby if the confirmation password doesn't same. And the line 30 is whereby we insert we construct a query to insert a new user in the user table with the provided information such as name, password, user type, gender, and date of birth. Okay, now we will move on to the login form. This is the source code and this is the result. Okay, in this part we use the assertion to set the variable, and this part is to decide whether it will lead to the will lead to the user page or the admin page. If it else, it will store it into the error array, which is we can see the S sign error array. Okay, we will move on to the JavaScript. The JavaScript, this we will use the function whereby to ensure the code inside the function is executed. Okay, the query form reset function we used to use in the button reset form, and the focus part, which is line 9, is used to the when we submit the reset button, that it will focus on the first field, which is name field. I will demonstrate how the register form works. Okay, first we will enter our detail. Okay, which is our gender, and we insert our phone number. Then we choose as a user. Then we register now. Then okay, we will check on the database that it will update the latest data. Okay, on this row it shows that the latest data has been updated.
Okay, for the admin side, you have to log in your admin details that are stored in the database. So peachy@gmail.com is our admin for today. It will bring you to this welcome page for admins only, which will prompt you to press this admin page button. Then it will bring you to the user information page. All the details of the users are shown here. You can add users here via the register form, or you can delete one of these users. So let's delete John, and let's check our database first. Here's John, user ID number 31. Delete the user, and let's reload this database. John is deleted from the website. For the other functionalities, this page, which acts as a notification page, but it's kind of a fun way to show whose birthday is it this month. And the graph is an informational way to analyze our users growth, our user growth for our Buddy Peachy application. So for this is the number of friends for each user. This does not include the registered users, and it will list the number of friends based on the user ID, and this is just the amount of birthdays for all users, including the friends of the registered user for each month. So 1 is January, 2 is February, 3 is March, and so on and so forth. If you press home, it will bring you back to this welcome page, and you can log out, and it will show you this wave. On to the next part.
Okay, so next I will show you the coding for the admin page. So this is the admin home page, and up here is the PHP section, and down here is the HTML section that will display when the admin log in the page. So next, here is the header, which will have the navigation bar that consists of home, users, birthday, and also the graph, and we have a functional buttons here. And next is the notification that the admin will receive when there's a user's birthday in the current month, which it will display the user ID, number, email, and also the date of their birthday. And if there is no one have birthday in the current month, so it will display no one was born in this month in here. So this is the coding for the notification. And next, here is the coding where for the page that when the admin can delete or add users. And this is the coding here. And we have the user ID, username, email, phone number, gender, date of birth, and the user type. So the admin can delete or add users. So I will show you the user's point of view when they want to log in this web page. So this is the home page. So as a user, I will click login here, and it will display the login page. And the user are required to enter their email and also password. And click login now. And here is the home page that the user will see when they enter this home page of users. So up here we have the navigation bar for logout buttons, friend, add friend, and view friend buttons, and more, user profile, and info button. So here we have a short video here and also a message here. So first I will show you the list of friends that this user have. So here is the list of friends. Okay, and I'll show you that we can add friend in this web page. So first I will, for example, I will enter as friends information, for example. So here for example, our phone, and we also need to enter our friend email. So click submit. Here, the number phone is not valid because the user need to enter a valid major phone number format like this. So I will correct it, and here. So I have corrected it. So we can see here that the friend that was just added will appear in here. So here, Karina is appeared in this list of friends. So in the database friends, so this user ID is the account I have the user ID 3. So we can see here, Karina here is updated in this database. So next, I will show you we want to update our friends' informations. So for example, I will update here. I will update this email. For example, click update, then we click alert here. And here you can see that this Humaira friend have their Gmail updated. So next, I will show you if we want to delete our friend. So I will try to delete this Karina. Okay, we delete Karina, and now Karina is not available in the list of friends. So in this database, it will also be updated. So now Karina is no longer in this database friend, and Humaira have the email updated here. So next, I will show you we can also search our friend by name or month here by using the number. So for example, I will want to search Nurin. Okay, and the name Nurin will only Nurin will appear in our list of friends. So for example, the birth month. So I will click maybe 12. December. So here, Wawa, which have the birth month 12, will only appear in our list of friends. Okay, so next I will show you the coding for the users page. So this is the users page when the users enter or log in the page. So first they will see this whole page, and we have this here, the navigation bar, and which have the logout friend buttons and also more, which use the drop down button. And this is the main part of the page. And next, this is the page for the add friend page. And this is the coding, which here we have this coding, HTML coding, also PHP coding, and this is the CSS part, and down here we have the navigation bar, and here we have the part for when the users want to add their friends' information. And here is the part for the coding for the view friend page, and here we have the PHP sections, and here is the CSS sections, and down here we have the navigation bar also, and here we have the codings for the users can view their friend by name, gender, date of birth, phone number, email, and also their operations, which the operations consist of want to send message in WhatsApp. And here is the update section for the users page, which here the user can update their friends' information by name and also date of birth and gender, and their date of birth, and also phone number, email. And here is the delete coding for if the user wants to delete their friends' information.
Now let's move on to the next function. There is a send message button here for user to send any type of message to their friend, like birthday wish. For example, we imagine that this month of the year is a 6th month, and we just need to click enter and choose, and the website will display my friend that born in June. So we just need to click this button, and it will bring us to this form, where the form will have pre-fill of my friend's phone number and pre-fill of the message. And as a user, I have an option to use this message or delete this message and add a new message. And there's a button to cancel it, and there's a button send WhatsApp message to send the message. So we just need to click the message, and then it will bring us to this web WhatsApp. And let's wait for a little bit moment because it will take a little bit time to open it. Alright, so we just need to click send, and then the receiver can click this link and see this birthday wish that provided by the website. So how this happened? This happened because we use this code where we need to check the phone number parameter is already set, and then we also need to use this PHP echo HTML special char in order to bring that phone number of my friends, and also use PHP echo get option message in order for me to bring that message to the button submit. So in this button submit, send to WhatsApp, we also need to make sure again the phone number and the selected message parameter is already been set, and then we also need to construct the WhatsApp web URL with the phone number and the selected message, so that my friend, I can make sure that my friend receive the message, and I also can make sure that I send to the correct number of phones. And this is the birthday, this is the code of the happy birthday that we create. Now let's move on to the next thing that our website, which is birthday Peachy application provide. We just need to click more button here, and it will show you the user profile and ebook. And I would like to show you the ebook first. So this ebook, actually the Buddy Peachy application provide the club's member a different type of book with a different type of genre. So we have horror, we have romance, we have romantic comedy, and we also have pop leads. So the user just need to click the link, and it will bring them to the ebook online website. So how this happened? This happened because of this code. Now let's move on to the next topic. If I, as a user, I would like to update my names or my phone number, I just need to go to this more button and click the user profile, and it will bring us to this user profile page. So in this user profile page, actually we have update profile button, logout button, login button, and register button. So I just need to click this update profile button in order to update my information. For example, I would like to update information regarding the phone number. So before this, we don't have this number here. But later on in database, when we click this update profile, in the database, it will show that the data will be successfully updated. Alright, this shows that our data is successfully updated. So you can see that during we key in the information and update the data, we do not key in the new password and the confirm password. And this doesn't matter because it does not disturb our data that need to be updated. So let's see if I would like to update my password. For my old password, there's a 3333, and I would like my new password will be 101. So I just need to click update profile, and then password has been updated. So let's see whether the password is updated or not. And this shows that our data is successfully updated. And then we just need to click this button to return back to the user profile page. So that's all for our website, and to log out as a user, we just need to click this log out. It will bring us to this. You have successfully logged out.